In the previous modules, we talked about step 1 and 2 of investing in a business. So now let's get to step 3. Step 3, strategizing. Do you have what it takes to invest in any type of business in this world? In about 10 seconds from now, you'll be introduced to the meta theory to invest in any business that you desire. The meta theory. M stands for money, E, energy or passion, T, time, A, action taker. Meta is the cost of all investments. How is it so? The M in meta represents money. Let's be frank, you cannot invest when you do not have the money, which is why we have a one whole module about how to raise capital for investing. How much money is enough in terms of investing in a business? The starting cost will be at least $5,000 in U.S. currency. The USD 5,000 should not be used for other purposes except to invest. That being said, investing in business shouldn't be a burden to you or your family. Your family should have enough money that they can cover their daily expenses. If you do not, I strongly recommend you start small. Investments like gold and silver, which are sustainable, long-term investments, but with a lower ROI over time. The E in meta represents energy. Why is this part of any investment, you might ask? Energy is defined as the strength and vitality required for any physical or mental activity. Energy is also defined as the power derived from utilizing physical or chemical resources, especially to provide light and heat or to work machines. Same thing applies to any kind of investment, including starting your own business. Your energy for the investment you're in will result in the return of investment, which is the light, heat, or even a machine that can work. The T in meta represents time. If you're having a full-time job, it's understandable that you have limited time to look after your investment, which is totally okay. In wealth creation, the main aim is to create multiple passive income streams so that you make money work for you. In investment, time management is very important, especially in business investment. As an investor, you would want to know how well is your investment going. To achieve this, you'll have to monitor your investment from afar by requesting a monthly report from the company you invested in. You can also visit the company to see the company's progress. My recommendation would be once in 2 months. While doing that, take note on how the company has changed since your last visit. The A in meta represents action. Actions speak louder than words. Ever heard of done is better than perfect? The pre-step of any successful investment is to take action. Fear will always be there. Acknowledge the fear and move on. Why and how will that impact the investment? The human brain is designed in a way that when it senses risk or things are not in the equilibrium state, it will self-tune and send signals like voices to tell you not to take the risk, even if the risk is bound to bring positive growth. Let me give you another situation using infants as an example. Infants experience the world by using all 5 senses. Are they actually thinking? No, not really. They're just gathering information of the world that might be useful to them in the future. Actions like crawling, eating, reading, and making sense of things are new to them. But why is that infancy stage the fastest of all? That is because their brains have not gathered disempowering beliefs that can obstruct their learning. Can you imagine if the baby is scared of falling down? That way the baby will never be able to walk. Same goes for you. Are you the infant in business investments, or are you the one who's filled with disempowering thoughts?